Hello everyone, this is Adam with Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Jura E8. Came into the shop because it was experiencing intermittent dispensing, and there was a leak coming from the back of the machine. Um, upon inspection, we noticed that there was a lot of coffee grinds and coffee oil buildup in and around the machine. Um, this can cause issues with the brew unit being positioned properly. Um, it can cause blockages. Um, so we did a full tune-up of the machine, cleaning the brew unit, replacing some important gaskets in it, including the main brew unit gasket. Here's the old one. Um, and then we descaled and then ran a cleaning cycle of the machine. Um, so now it should be running uh, like normal. So here I have a measuring shot glass just to show that it's dispensing the full shot, about 1.5 ounces. There you go. You can see here, it's right at the 1.5 ounce mark. It's a full, nice shot. Alright, so that's about it for today. Thank you for watching.